We'll guide you through how to fix iPhone Bluetooth not working. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We're keeping this video broad, so we're covering different fixes for different problems, so make sure it's this full thing. First of all, go and open up the settings app like so, and you need to go to Bluetooth like this. Then what you need to do is go and switch off Bluetooth. It'll go and take a couple of seconds and switch it back on. Go and see if the problem is now resolved, whether it wasn't showing up or not connecting. Next, if that doesn't solve your problem, if you have previously been connected to the Bluetooth device or you are currently connected but it still isn't working right, you want to forget the connection. So in this case, for example, let's say it's this one boom here. I'm not currently connected, but if you were or you're not currently connected, click on the eye to the right and we can go and click on forget this device. Or you can just go and repair the device. This will often solve the problem. So what you can then do is come to your Bluetooth device. This is the speaker, yours may be different. Turn it on, put it into pairing mode. Of course, make sure no other devices are currently trying to pair to it. And then what you can do is go and join it, and hopefully that'll go and fix the problem. If you're finding the Bluetooth device isn't showing up, then definitely make sure it's in pairing mode as well, as that's a common problem. So for example here, I have to power it on and then go and put it into pairing mode. So you may need to check your device and the instructions for that. If it still isn't working for whatever reason, then it's worth performing a forced restart on your phone, as that will go and solve a wide range of problems. To do that, you press the increase volume button, the decrease, and hold down the power button. You'll see this screen here, but keep on holding down the power button. Keep on holding it until you see the Apple icon. Your phone screen will shortly go black. When you see it, release and wait for your iPhone to go and start again. After it's started, try going and using Bluetooth and hopefully it'll be fixed. If you found this useful, then leave a like.